I'm Casey McGee from New South Wales, Australia. I've had deteriorating teeth for many years, lots of teeth getting pulled due to cavities. Well, a lack of confidence in my own smile, lack of self-confidence, try to hide my teeth when talking to people. Yeah, it was just a bit of an embarrassment. I'm not afraid to go. And I think Jenny likes it too.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. You have done so good, and thank you for actually consulting me on different things, and your perfection, outstanding. I really appreciate everything you've done.
After completing the check-in process, patients receive a direct consultation from our implant specialist, who listens closely to the wishes and expectations they have carried through years of tooth loss. Next, the patient is guided to take a 3D CT scan. This state-of-the-art equipment allows the doctor to meticulously assess the volume and density of the jawbone, mapping out a precise blueprint for the new tooth roots. With the plan in place, we move into the highly critical phase, the implant placement surgery. The procedure is performed in a strictly closed, sterile environment. Every single detail, from gloves to medical equipment, is rigorously sterilized to ensure a smooth and safe surgical process. Thanks to advanced anesthesia techniques, any discomfort is completely eliminated. At Thuy Dental, we only trust and utilize major implant brands such as Biotem, Dentium, Supraline, and Neodent. These brands are chosen not just for their premium quality, but also for their long-term insurance value, backed by a 10 to 25-year warranty. Within a maximum of just 48 hours, the patient is fitted with a temporary set of teeth, allowing them to enjoy delicious meals after a long period of waiting. Once the osseointegration process is complete, typically around 3 months, the clinic will contact the patient to return and finalize their smile. The permanent teeth are meticulously crafted by master dental technicians, ensuring comfortable chewing and exceptional aesthetics. Choosing Thuy Dental is a truly worthwhile investment in your health. In the end, every patient walks away with expert oral care tips and a lifetime commitment of companionship from our clinic.